And this is how you kill your kids on Skyrim.
You dare me to punch her?
Yes. Shut up.
What'd you say?
Watch it.
Oh man. You're pushing your luck. Child abuse.
God, dude, you can't shoot her. You really can't kill her.
She's like, what's the first time?
Ouch.
Kid. Name's Kid. That's a great name for Kid.
Come on, dude. This is all a video about how to kill your kids on Skyrim.
Kill someone else's kids. I hate this one girl. She's so freaking annoying.
Good, then kill it.
Like,
Okay, then this is a whole different video than what we freaking said.
I'm just gonna chop off her freaking head. I dare you. Where is she? I hate her. She's so annoying. She thinks she's all tough. Then she's gonna be sitting there dead. With like her head on the floor.
She's gonna be sitting there, her head on the floor. She's gonna be like, "You dead."
One for her head, one for her intellect, one for her courage, and one for her body. Okay, where are you, little girl? Little girl? It's a little. Oh, like I thought you meant like a woman. No.
No, dude, it's not a woman.
Oh, dude, there's this like little girl at when you go to this like place after you go to Helgen. I forget where. But this girl's so annoying. It's like, hey, I was about to get that cabbage. Look at you found a fruit. I'm like, oh my god, shut up. I just took a cabbage. What are you complaining about? There's like 7 more. Oh my god. What the heck?
Come on, dude. I thought we were gonna abuse some child.
I can't find her. Oh yeah, this is a lady that said if I find this guy.
Then just kill her. Come on, just go kill her.
Find him. I bet that's it right there. I want to see you go ask her to do it out. I want to see you ask her to the dance, the Morgan dance. Oh no, wait, open the story. The river fork people. Thornfight. Yeah. Well, that place. No, sit down. We had a war here. No, our next video we should do how to pick up a girl in Skyrim. I don't know how to do that though. Yeah, we'll figure it out. We'll figure something out. Pick up tough, huh? Hey girl, what's up, girl? It's a girl? Yeah. Oh, she's a skinny dude.
Skinny dude with bibs. That's so funny.
Hey girl. Why is there so many girls? Hey girl. It's like a girl village. It's like Amazon's Warriors. I know. This is the boy one.
Dude, if you don't kill a girl.
Ask that girl right there. See what she says. Oh, she has a dagger. God, tomatoes.
Can I have tomatoes?
Can I have tomatoes? Can I have tomatoes? Can I have tomatoes? Bro, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I swear. I didn't mean it.
Do we swear?
I didn't mean it. I swear. I swear.
It was all their fault. They made me.
It was her fault. She didn't go out with me. Yes, I know. That was the girl too.
That was the exact same girl.
Oh, they're still following me. Stop following me. I'm an outlaw. Fast travel. Oh wow.
That is so cheap.
He's gonna be killed. Oh no, I can't fast travel. I'm reason to buy. I'm your officer. I command you to stop following me. I am your officer. Just because I killed an old lady doesn't mean you have to go back for me. She was freaking so annoying. I swear, follow me.
Open Skyrim.
I'm opening the door. Oh, what's your chemistry set?
It's a chemistry set.
Turn into werewolf now.
Yeah,
Are you gonna kill everybody? Yes. Take your kids with you. Honey, we're gonna move. Dad! Shut up.
Shut up, you fat piece of crap.
Looks like you had fat, chubby kid. You moved with a giant. What happened to you? I ate too much taffy.
No. I ate too much giant toe.
I had too many giant toes. Not fast travel. Fast travel. I can't. Great, this. Sorry, I don't need that. Hey guys, look you! Oh, sorry, I need Kleenex. If you guys don't have any, I could use one. I just had to sneeze, sorry. Sneeze at him, sneeze at the kitty. Sneeze at the kitty. Sneeze at the kitty. So cute.
No, dude, just sneeze at the kitty.
Sneeze at the kitty. Sneeze at the kitty. I dare you to sneeze at the kitty.
Dude, come on, there's nobody nearby.
Sneeze at the kitty. Don't shoot me.
Sneeze at that kitty, boy.
Sneeze at the kitty.
Sneeze at that kitty, boy.
I can't. Okay, now I will sneeze at the kitty. Wait. Go.
Sorry. I had to sneeze. Use a freaking dagger. Ah.
Come on, man. I just need a Kleenex. You don't have to bring it. Oh, now you want to bring a knife, huh? Well, I have a gun. I don't know.
Sorry, I just sneezed. It's like you invented gunpowder with a gun.
No, you invented
No,
saltpeter.
this is no fun.
You like.
I'm gonna shoot some fire bullets.
That's my fault. I have allergies. I'm allergic to cats.
I'm allergic to cats.
No, I'm allergic to
Somehow I choose
No,
fire.
I'm allergic. I get it, cats, because they're cats. I did not get that at
I'm allergic
first.
to kitties.
Or
Get it,
I
get
can
it.
have a relaxing day at peace.
And so you just pop some milk. Oh,
Watch.
there it is.
Watch what's gonna happen. Wait. I have something. What? Oh, I'm gonna sneeze. Take me.
The road to Rot, Dragon's Reach dungeon.
Oh yeah, if I
I've been
just go,
there.
if I
Alright,
just
I've
go
been
to
there like
sleep,
6 times.
if I go to sleep, I'll get my stuff back.
I dare you try to pickpocket your way out.
No,
Try to-
dude,
try
I
to-
don't know where my stuff is. Wait, can I still sneeze?
Oh, God.
Yep. I no space.
Goodbye.